Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. I'm so excited. I got a package and I'd love to do an unboxing, an opening, and I'd love to share it with you. So let's see what I got. And there's construction being done on my house today, so you're gonna hear that in the background maybe. It's all right. Oh, how beautiful. Hello, sunshine. Look at this. It's beautiful. Just thinking of you on this Valentine's Day. I appreciate all that you do. I'm grateful to you, sweet loving blessings, and I love you, Mother of Light, for infinite Nadine. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful, Nadine. Oh my goodness. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you, Holy One. Thank you. Forehead, the hand to the forehead, the blessing, yes. Yaro kane yapau sutwaye, ipriko anene etiautua, hiasaukuai. Oh my goodness. So, let's see what's in here. Oh, they're wrapped so beautifully. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see. Okay, so I may pronounce this incorrectly, but work with me. Oh my goodness. So this is a designer. The designer Manola presents the Canalo design honoring the god of the ocean. The artist, okay, so this has ancestors linked to Analoa, meaning belonging to the ocean, whom guided him to create a tribute to our innate sacred ancestral connection to the sea realm. The imagery of wayfinding navigational knowledge passed down through the currents of time, ebb and flow throughout the layers of this pattern. Oh my goodness. All right, are you ready to see what this is? This is from Hawaii. Beautiful written literature on this piece. Look how lovely this is wrapped. Isn't this beautiful? Yes? Let's see. Oh my goodness, Nadine. You spoil me. You're so good to me. I love the stickers too. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, Nadine. Oh, I love it. Oh, how pretty. Oh, this is just gorgeous. And look at the diamonds on it. And this is the pattern that was done for the god of the sea. And we use the diamonds in ACASMA, in the ACASMA diamond healing. Oh my goodness, Nadine. And I love the colors. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, it's got a really pretty back. It opens in the back. See that? Oh, that's just lovely, Nadine. Oh, you spoil me so. That is gorgeous. I love it. Oh my goodness. All right, let me see. So this one has a different name on it. And again, I'm not perfect with pronunciation, but you see the name on it. So Hanuame. The land resounds as her life force pulsates, roaring through the foundation of the earth's core. She is Hanuname, sacred earth. Manalo, Manaalo, Manaolo, Manaola. Manaola returns, grounding to an ancestral consciousness rooted in the foundation herself, Pele, in her land creation form. I love this. Oh my God, Nadine. Nadine, your ACASMA Master Teacher course, and I kept seeing Pele and the mountains. Oh my goodness. Pele in her land creation form, and fashions this homage reflective of the mana she inherits from her mother, Humea, the maternal divine of possibilities. Ooh, I love that. Thus a design of circular patterns representative of the chemistry she receives in her chromosomes, honorific of the female cosmos, along with geometric depictions of volcanic activity detailing the movement of her magmatic force to create new land. And it goes on and it has more, but oh my goodness, I love this, the background on this, the ancestors, the language. Oh, it sounds very much like ACASMA, you know, the language of ACASMA. Even when I look at it written and it says, it looks like Kai or Kai, Kikai, Okonola. I don't know how you pronounce it in your language, but this looks very similar to what we speak in ACASMA when we say Chono Nokea, Taneana Takawa. So it's really beautiful. All right. So I'm going to open this one now. Oh my goodness. So beautifully wrapped. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This is gorgeous. Oh, and it feels, oh my God, it feels so good. It feels so soft. Okay. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, Nadine. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, and it just feels incredible. Oh my goodness, this is just incredibly beautiful, Nadine. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, Nadine, I love it. It's exquisite, it's beautiful, it's powerful. I can feel the ancestral lineage within it. Yau kua ne ne au tau a ye ya te ne ne ana tau a ye. Tau a ye ya no hakua. Hakua ye ya na tau koko a ye. Koko a ye na na ne. Hui ana tau a. Yautoa. Thank you for this Holy One. Oh my goodness, this is so sacred and beautiful. Thank you. You bless me greatly. And I'm deeply honored by your gifts. Deeply honored by your gifts. And your beautiful card. And your presence in the spaces we share together. Thank you, Nadine. Thank you. I hope to come to Hawaii and bring a time to rise there. We'll have a beautiful ACASMA family gathering in Hawaii. To all the beautiful ACASMA family of light in all the various ways I am shown love, thank you unendingly. Thank you unendingly. Blessings upon you, Holy Ones. Blessings.